Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be transforming this beautiful vase into an aged vessel. We were really inspired by this gorgeous artisan vessel from Pottery Barn, but there's so many other decor stores that sell them, and this type of vase will set you back between $100 to $200, if not more. We got this vase at Home Goods for a little over $40. Of course, you can find less expensive ones there, or even at thrift stores. But we were kind of in a hurry and we just love the look of this one so much, and it's a Christmas gift for someone. For this project, we used Waverly acrylic paint in the colors Mineral, Ivory, and Snow White. Now, since this vase has already a good textured base, we didn't need to use the good old dry deck speckling paste. We did a DIY lamp a few months ago where we had to use it, and I'll link the video down below if you'd like to watch it. Here, I'm mixing all three colors. There's no right or wrong way of doing this. I just dabbed a little bit of each color, depending on how light or dark you want the piece to be. Even if you make a mistake, this process is very forgiving, so you can always go over it and correct it. So as you can see, I just wanted to sit down on the floor and work on this. I put the kids to bed and started working on it. I find projects like these to be so relaxing. If you do any type of crafting, you know how good this feels for the soul. Plus, adding a vase like this to your decor gives your space a look of the past with a modern feel, and this vase will definitely elevate your space. And speaking of elevating your space, Bona provides various indoor and outdoor furniture with unique design, high quality, and great prices. Bona focuses on the design and quality of comfortable home furniture boutique. And thanks to Bona, they're offering 15% off to our subscribers. Just use our promo code ACERSpace on lubona.com. They offer free shipping in the US, where you can expect to receive your product within 3 to 7 days, and a 30-day free return service. The package contains detailed installation instructions and all tools. Minimal assembly is required. We got these charming vanity stools with a chic round design. They're light and versatile enough to be taken anywhere you need it. This one comes with a cover that opens to spacious storage for storing books and other essentials. And as always, I'll link the website, product link, and the coupon code in the description box below for you guys. Now back to our vase. I felt like I needed more white, so here I'm just adding more white as I go. And as I mentioned before, you can go as light or as dark as you want. I just wanted this particular vase to be on the lighter side, so it will mesh well with the existing decor. Here, I'm using the sponge brush to get to hard to reach places like under the handles. There are different techniques you can use to achieve the aged look, but for this one, I chose to dab the brush all over the base, and I'm very happy with the way it's turning out. I really love how the color combination is uneven, and it gives the illusion of an aged and distressed texture, which is so aesthetically pleasing. Okay everyone, so here's the final result. I hope you enjoyed this easy DIY aged vessel video. We have so much more coming up. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you won't miss anything. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you all on our next video.